Alright, let's see how these are looking. I've been running these up in the gravel roads, Forest Service roads, for I don't know how many miles, but I had these on my old 2015. Those are those Nokians. Nokian Hakkapeliitta, whatever that is. Winter tires. They're really good in the ice. They're working pretty good. Judge for yourself. Seeing how. Okay, we're in 4-wheel low, the rear locker's in, and we're in rock mode. Let's see if we get this thing's pretty steep. Nothing ever looks as steep in film, but it's pretty steep. Having a problem, not too much slipping. There we go. Got a little bit of difference brake lock going on there. Not too big of a problem. Right here. Been up here in a while. Tracks. Okay, let's go do a little scouting on our road we're headed up here. It's a pretty good drop off here. Better get this rock out of the road. This sucker. Uh-oh. We got that. I'm gonna have to find a place to turn around here. That's about level. So you get an idea how steep that is. Alright, this is where we'll be coming up. Right here, we can get turned around. In here, that road goes up there, but it's single track, and I'm afraid I'm going to get someplace I can't turn around. So, let's go down here, back to the Jeep. Dogs like it. Where the heck's the Jeep? It's down there. Down there somewhere. I think it's right there. Alright, let's bring it up this. Okay, that's about flat. And that's about down the hill, so should be fun. Yeah, here's the Jeep kind of buried down here. That's where we're headed up. See how we do. There we go, let's just inch along here. Not puncture a tire. Really have no business being up here. This is the sketchy part. That log right there. Gotta kind of get close to the edge. But hopefully we'll be okay. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. Oh crap. That's not good. Straighten it out. I need this log. Oh man, this is soft. This is soft. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Let's go back a little bit. Just falling off that edge. I guess I'll have to move that log. Oh boy. Alright, kind of see here how this was washing out. It's going to end up going down the canyon there. So that rock probably wasn't helping. So I need to get up here in these ruts. Got to move that log. Alright, that was easier than I thought. That log was rotten. I just grabbed it and it broke right off. Let's see if we can make it up this now. Damn it. Oh shit. Not good. Not good, not good. Just let it roll back. Damn it. A little higher. Yet. Soft. There we go. No. Damn it. Digging in. Can't see what that front's doing. Just spin it. Okay, let's try again. Get out of the hole. Nope, just bumping right back in the hole again. I have to dig myself out of this shit. Almost. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. We got it. We got it made now. That was a little hairy. We're up here in some pretty good snow here. There's a nice big rock. Let's get turned around right here. It's freaking too steep up here. Great. What's in that hole? Let's rock through it. Okay. Turn around. Go back through that. Okay. I like this backup camera. You see that? I'm gonna hit that. I gotta pull further forward. I can't freaking slide in this goddamn. Slide into that big ass log right there. Get some wheel spin going. Okay, let's look at our camera. Stay over here a little further this time. Yeah, we're further away from it. That's much better. I think that's kind of gnarly looking right there, isn't it? We got that log, we got that log. Probably move that one. Let's see what we got. Getting turned around. I'm gonna hit. Barely made it. Here we go. Okay, we're coming down the hill here. This is pretty steep. That's about level. We point down to the road. See, there's some snow on there, so I got it. Okay. We're in 4-wheel low, blockers in, we got it in rock mode, I got it in first gear. So, let's head down this, creep down it so we don't go flying down and wreck, run off this skinny little road. Keeps us at about, well, we were about 3 miles an hour, but I could use that downhill descent thing. Man, we could use that. Let's use that. Okay, let's go downhill descent. Oh, let's see. I don't really need this, but this will keep you going really slow. And we just bump it up. Kick this, pink. That changes that to 1.9 miles an hour. That'll keep us going a little bit slower, which is pretty dang slow. Slow it down a little more. This makes it awful easy. Down out of the snow, just creep along. Apply the brakes. Keep us at about a mile an hour going down this steep hill. Again, that's about level and you could hardly see the road down here. In order to see the road, you got to kind of point it down. With that. What does that look like up there? Pretty steep. There's level. You can see the road. Can't even see the damn road. You gotta look down. Level. And there's the road. spot here. Well, this hill descent makes it easy. You can even slow down a little more. 0.6 miles an hour. Creeping along.